Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for virtual reality. Using ChatGPT in virtual reality can create immersive and interactive conversational experience for users. Here's a high-level overview of how you can integrate ChatGPT into VR application. First is design the VR environment. Create visually appealing and immersive virtual space where users can interact with ChatGPT. Next is implement VR framework. Choose VR development framework or engine like Unity 3D or engine or Unreal Engine that supports external service integration. Third is set up ChatGPT integration. Connect the VR environment with the ChatGPT service using OpenAI's API. Enable communication between the VR application and the model. Fourth is capture user input. Provide input methods within the VR environment, such as voice recognition or virtual keyboards, to capture user queries or messages. Last is render and display responses. Receive responses from ChatGPT and display them within the VR environment. Using visual elements like speech bubbles or chat interfaces. Remember to comply with OpenAI's usage policies and terms of services when using ChatGPT's API. So that's it. That's how to use ChatGPT for virtual reality. So if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!